every local shopkeeper is the heart of India's neighborhood. Now, you can easily upgrade your traditional Kirana shop into a modern digital-first Bright Store. With Store King Retail OS, going live takes just 5 minutes. Simply scan any product barcode to instantly match it with our massive pre-filled digital catalog. Selling an uncatalogued local product? Just snap a quick photo. The built-in AI automatically scans, processes, and lists the item for your customers. Once live, your mobile phone becomes a complete business command center, simplifying your entire daily operations and putting you in total control. Manage your digital catalog with ease. Set smart pricing for both retail and wholesale buyers while tracking your exact profit margins on every single sale. Manage your trusted regular customers by easily setting pay later credit limits. Automatically track all dues alongside your incoming orders in one clean system. Speed up daily checkouts with our rapid point of sale system. Build a complete customer directory to keep in touch and grow local loyalty. Never lose a sale. Get real-time inventory alerts before stock runs out and auto-generate standard GST invoices and e-invoices effortlessly. Make smart, data-driven decisions with clear reports. View your complete profit and loss statements and business summaries with just a single tap. Delight your regular shoppers. Every purchase awards them King coins on the Club app, which they can redeem for aspirational rewards like electronics. Store King bridges traditional trust with digital scaling. While our smart supply chain brings products in, smart management makes selling them easier and far more profitable. Join our retail revolution as we scale to 1 lakh Bright Stores. We are hiring across tech, finance, sales, and growth. Let's make every local retailer the king of his own town.